So guys, what is going on? And today we're going to be looking at the Steam Link unboxing in 2018. So this is the Steam Link box. Around it there's some sort of cardboard design, and we got to take off this tape here first, so let's do that. Alright, now that the tape's off, we just slide it right off. It's a very good looking box. Quite like the design of this actually. Oh, more tape. Okay, the tape's off. Now here we go. Whoa. That's very clean packaging. I really like this Steam logo on the box and also on the Steam Link itself. See here, all the sides is the Steam Link. So on this side, there's one USB port, and on the next side, there's two USB ports, one Ethernet, one HDMI, and the last UI is for power. The base has the manufacturing details and the product number. The Steam Link is quite heavy for its size, however you don't need much portability with the Steam Link, as you'll usually be keeping it plugged in to your computer. Now on the flip side, there's a bit of rubber padding on the base. This is probably to prevent it from moving around. I'm actually really liking this design, the Steam logo here. And well, this design is actually quite good looking. Okay, I'm just gonna peel the tape here. Let's put this to the side for the minute, and we'll see what else is in the box. Okay, so under that is what appears to be, okay, a quick start guide. Inside the guide, it shows you how to connect the Steam Link to your PC and Steam Link to the TV. Oh, okay, sure, it shows the wired and the wireless connection. This is the Steam Link product guide. Probably should read it, but I guess most people don't. Okay, let's take out the last part of this. Oh, there's some plastic strapped underneath. Alright, let me just rearrange this. Make it so we can see what's in this box. Oh, okay, more tape again. I'm going to cut to the part where I can open the tape. Now I got the tape off, we can open the box and let's see what's inside. Oh, okay. So there's 3 different adapter points. Since Steam Link is sold worldwide, they need these 3 different adapter points so that people in other countries can also use them. The one that's connected to the actual adapter at the moment is the American one. Okay, so here's the Ethernet cord that you use to connect your Steam Link to the router. And here's a HDMI cord that you use to connect your Steam Link to your TV. Now that I've finally managed to get out this cord, this is the PowerPoint. Alright, let's put this away. And that is the end of this unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of the Steam Link in 2018. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. And whatever you do, don't forget to keep it real. Peace.